Welcome to our ultimate beard trimmer showdown. Today, we are comparing two of the most popular grooming kits on the market, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer. We'll dive into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for versatility, power, or precision, this video will help you decide which trimmer is the best fit for your grooming needs. Let's get started. When it comes to the number of pieces, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 takes the lead with an impressive 23-piece grooming kit. This extensive set includes various attachments for beard, hair, and body grooming, making it a versatile choice for all your grooming needs. On the other hand, the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer offers a solid 16-piece kit. While it may have fewer attachments, it still provides a comprehensive range of tools for effective grooming. Ultimately, if you prioritize having more options at your disposal, the Philips Norelco is the clear winner in this category. Next, let's talk about blade material. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 features titanium-coated steel blades that are self-sharpening, ensuring a long-lasting and efficient cutting performance. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer uses stainless steel blades, which are also durable but may not provide the same level of longevity and sharpness as titanium. If blade quality is a significant factor for you, the Philips Norelco's titanium blades give it an edge in this comparison. Finally, let's examine the technology features of each trimmer. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 boasts Beard Sense technology, which automatically adjusts the cutting power based on the thickness of your hair, providing a more efficient and comfortable grooming experience. In contrast, the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer is equipped with a powerful turbo speed motor that enhances its cutting performance. While both technologies offer unique benefits, the choice ultimately depends on whether you prefer adaptive cutting power or raw motor strength. In conclusion, both the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 and the SHPAVVER Electric Beard Trimmer have their strengths and weaknesses. The Philips Norelco offers a more extensive kit with advanced blade technology, while the SHPAVVER provides a powerful motor and a solid set of tools. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your personal grooming needs and preferences. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more grooming tips and product reviews.